I'm Sonakshi and I have cleared CSIR Net LS with rank 68, and I joined Biotechnika's online coaching classes for CSIR Net Life Sciences for December 2019 batch, and I'm very thankful to all the teachers who helped me clear this exam. The lectures were actually very understanding, because teachers, they used to explain every topic from the basic concept to the harder one, and they used different animations as well as PowerPoint presentations, and they also used to discuss about different previous year questions after every lecture. That helped me a lot. And they have this chat facility on the live sessions only, and you can ask them during these live sessions, and they used to answer every question during those sessions only. And they also have e-portal system. On e-portal you can access all the previous year videos, all the lectures, as well as all the presentations and ebooks, so you can actually study at any time of the day if you miss any class. They have their email and the chat facility where you can send any query to them, and they used to answer those queries as well as MCQs with full explanation within the 24 hours, and that was actually very good. They sent me about 14 books, and for each unit the book was different, so those books had great study material which helped me in my preparation. The syllabus is actually very vast. There are about 13 units, and I prepared about 10 units. I prepared about in last 3 months before the exam. Teachers, they helped me preparing within the minimum time with the whole set of presentations they had. These presentations were actually very great. They had all the information you need to study, and they also had these weekly test series. These test series were very good to review your performance and your preparation for the exam. These questions were based on how they ask question in the net exam. These test series, they helped me very well. So I'm very thankful to the Biotecnika teachers for helping me clearing this exam. Thank you.